Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the cleaving of one of these wafers. We should know if you have to purchase wafers again, there's wafers that are cube face lined. When we have the entire wafer, if it was round like this, there would be one flat side, and that's showing the orientation of cube faces. If there's a flat side there, it means you need to split along that way, perpendicular and parallel to that axis. Don't try splitting across it because it won't work. So obviously this one has already been cleaved and it's pretty apparent where it wants to go. I will typically take a Kim wipe and place, let's go from the big one so you can see what it looks like. I'll use a Kim wipe with this split on for cleanliness, for padding, and it's just a good work surface. So this is a diamond scribe. Do not touch the end of the diamond scribe. I don't know why, just don't do it. Position yourself and you just need to make a scratch like that. I'll repeat this again so that you can see it. Once you've done that, position this diamond tip, well, the diamond tip, or actually I guess it would be better to position this underneath that scribe point. And then you simply need to push on either side, and it cleaves it very cleanly, like so. Again, now zooming in. In reality, you shouldn't be touching this, but I'm going to be touching this. Scribe your line. You'll hear the distinctive sound of it scratching. Take your tweezers. I like these bent ones a lot. They just make it easier to pick things up and get under things. Position that underneath it, like that, and push down either side. And it cleaves cleanly. Now I'm going to split this up into smaller bite-sized pieces to use with one of these SEM slides, whatever you want to call it. So it doesn't need to be that big, obviously. And apparently it's not a clean straight cut, but it doesn't really matter for the purposes of what we're doing. And I would do these individually rather than as a batch of scratches. And once you've scribed it, put it into a separate container. The scribing process, or this cleaving process, splitting, will do two things. Well, we'll do one thing that you want to avoid, which is that it'll probably generate some crumbs, some little bits of silicon that shatter and fly up on top of it, because it's a crystal that we're splitting. So, once you have done this, either in some sort of aqueous solution, or some sort of solution, or under human nitrogen, hold it under there just to blow off any dust or any other bits that have collected on top of it. And that is how you cleave your substrates for use with SEM.